What's up, everybody? You new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so every time we upload a video. Today I'm showing you how to change your pad on your Bauer angle grinder. So you go to the top of your angle grinder and you'll see a black button. You click the button in, you spin the angle grinder till you hear it click. Hear it click, you get the tool, came with the angle grinder. It's a nice little tool, came with it. You put it in a hole and you just twist. And then you screw it off the chain. Then you screw it off the chain. Then you take the pad out. Get your other pad. You put it in. And then you screw it in. Screw it back in. Then you make sure it's locked. Get your tool. And you tighten it. Alright, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, see y'all later.